Hello guys, so good morning. So shout out to all my students, grade 12 students, grade 12 Rizal of Lupi Iligan National High School. So this video is for you. So the thing that you are going to do is to create a bootable device using a USB. So we are going to have an installer which is a Windows 10 installer for us to be able to reprogram a particular laptop. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to format first the USB. Okay, so I have already inserted the USB, the flash drive from the USB port. So this is what is inside on the USB. So actually it has a Windows 7, but then I need to do this um, for the sake of this video, so I need to format this. Right click the USB drive, then select format. Okay, from that, so because it is a CD-ROM, it has a label of CD-ROM. So you can just put anything. Okay, for example, then so make the quick format check, then let's start on that. Okay, click start. So it will give you an information. A warning formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK to fit and click cancel. Okay, so this time because we are going to create a bootable device, so we need to format it first. So click OK. Then the USB, it is now performing a formatting on the USB. So format complete. So we have now a volume label of SHA. Then close it. Okay, so let us check um, if the USB has a data on it. So it has no data on it. So this time, because the Rufus is on the drive H, or that is the external, um, that is on the external drive. So I know and I think that I have been put it there. So under desktop, so I have here the Rufus. So this Rufus is an application that give us or make a bootable device using USB. Okay, so double click on it, on the icon, then click yes. Then so as you can see, so we have a volume label of SHA, so meaning we are now it is automatically detected the flash drive, just like that. In that case, so we are going to move into this image or that CD icon. Okay, so click on that, then we will look into Windows 10. Okay, so that is on the drive H, Windows 10. So we are looking into Windows 10 ISO because it is an image. So that image, we are going to, you know, I almost forgot where did I put that particular uh, desktop pati. Sorry, installer. I think so that's not here. Sorry. Under backup, I think that is on the drive D. I think. Mhm. Windows 7 installer. Network immersion. Come on, where did I put that? Windows operating system. So Windows 10, Windows 10 Enterprise. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. So I think we can use the Windows Enterprise, but I know that this is not what I use. Mhm. Sorry, I am looking um, you know, into the image, and I almost forgot where did I put that image. I think it is on this one, backup 2008 Windows 10. Okay, so this one. So this is an image of an installer, so which is installer for the Windows 10. So we're going to select the image, double click on it, then okay. So it has now a label of J underscore CC SA underscore X4 and so on and so forth. Okay. Then from that, we'll just click the start. Then, warning, all data on this device, SHA-G 32 GB will be destroyed. To continue this operation, click OK, and to quit it, just click Cancel. So because we want it to become a bootable device, so we need to click OK on that. Okay, so we'll just wait until it's done. So the Rufus is now performing the operation by creating this flash drive into a bootable device which has an operating system of Windows 10. Okay, so just wait. So it will give us a few minutes, I think, just to um, perform the process. So after this, we will move into the installation process on how you're going to install Windows 10 operating system into a particular um, laptop. Okay, we'll just wait until it's done. Okay, so you don't have to, so in this case, so you need a lot of patience. So that's all you need, and you know, you can do anything while you are waiting on it. You can perform other job for you to be able not to be bored, something like that. So don't be confused of those first step that I did because I am searching on the Windows 10 image. So that's why I look into many folders. But then try to put into your mind that um, of where is the destinations of your image. So that's it. So try to locate into the correct destination for you to be able to be not to be lost into the process. Okay. So hopefully you can you get my point and you understand what I am trying to say. I will just wait a few minutes on it and just listen to the radio. So did you know the advantage of having an image of every installer that we have? For example, installer to a printer. So you can copy it on the CD, going through the laptop, then convert it into an image. So what is the purpose of an image? So an image cannot be destroyed by the virus. That is the first thing. That is the first advantage of the image. Okay. Then another one is that it is not too heavy into the capacity of the laptop or the hard drive. Then um, you can store it anywhere. So that's the advantage. And so that's uh, you know um, the best uh, function of an image, having an image for an installer, is that just like what I said recently, it cannot be destroyed by the virus. Okay, that's the point on it. Then if you want to have it, then use the Rufus or any applications for you to be able to get or to convert that again image into an installer. So you can use an ISO, Power ISO. You can use a Nero if you are familiar with Nero burning tools. If you are using CD or DVD or whatever. But then this time Um, we are now on the 21st century, so that's why we use USB or the flash drive as a bootable device. So that's how we use it. So that's the function of the image. That's the importance of the image. So I hope you get my point about the advantages of having an image of those installer that you have. Any installer, you can have it. You can convert it into an image. For example, an AutoCAD application, a Photoshop application, or anything which is really important to you that maybe you cannot get it online, or maybe because once that you stored it into a CD or into a DVD, so that CD or DVD can be, can have a scratch on it, then it the CD cannot be read by the CD-ROM. So that's why we used to convert it into an image. So that's how we preserve the installer. So that is the most important on that part. If you are a laptop user, if you are a user of those application, try to have an image on it so that in the future you will not having a problem while you are restoring your laptop or anything. Then not only that, do not just put it into one hard drive or into one uh, hard disk or flash drive or anything. Yeah, at least have a three or a two or a three. Then one is the you use you use daily. Then the another one is your backup. For example, because uh, yes, everything has its own lifespan. So that's how I used to uh, store my my installer, those installer that I have. So if you want an installer on it, so all you have to do is to have an email on me. All you have to do is to type have an email on me, type Alden, small caps, sa lahat yon small caps, alden.altamarino at deped.gov.ph. So that's it. Okay. So all you have to do is to have an email on me, then I will send it to you. Okay. So everything that I have here, I can give it to you. Okay. So we are done on the Rufus. We are done on the creating of a bootable device using the USB flash drive, and we need to select the close button. Okay. Um, this time, for us to be able to check if now the USB or the flash drive is already become a bootable device, all we have to do is to double click the setup, then click yes. From that, we can see if it is really functional. So make it sure that your laptop is not a virus infected, because once that it is a virus infected, then it will corrupt the installer. Okay, so what we are doing to this time is to check if the installer is good or working. Okay, so choose what to keep, then so that is the Windows 10 setup. So I think this is now okay. So just exit it. I'm sorry for that, taking a few minutes, or you can have it by right clicking and autoplay. So where's the autoplay on that? 3G autoplay. So we don't have any autoplay here. Okay, so I think that's it. So I hope you enjoy the video on how you're going to create a beautiful device using a Rufus application. So I think that's the end of this video. So thank you so much and have a great day.